Struggling to stay consistent with your content, or always scrambling for last-minute ideas? You're not alone. The solution is simple: a content calendar. But not just any calendar, a strategic one that drives results. Hey guys, it's Cassy from Neighborhood, where we help businesses find, sell, and keep their people. Today, we're diving into how to build a content calendar that keeps you organized, helps you hit your goals, and makes content creation easier than ever. Let's get into it. Step number 1, define your goals. Know why you're posting, whether it's to generate leads, build brand awareness, or drive traffic. HubSpot's Content Hub features like Content Sync and WordPress integration make aligning your goals with your strategy seamless, ensuring your content works towards measurable outcomes. Step number 2, know your audience. Your content should speak directly to your audience's needs. You can use HubSpot's buyer persona tools to understand their pain points and craft content that resonates, whether it's blogs, videos, or social posts. Step number 3, maximize the content you have. HubSpot's Content Remix tool allows you to repurpose your existing content into multiple formats effortlessly. For example, you can transform a blog post into a podcast, break down a webinar into social media snippets, or turn key insights into an email campaign. This allows you to get the most value out of every piece of content you create. Step number 4, map out your topics. Instead of manually brainstorming, leverage HubSpot's AI content tools to generate ideas, captions, and structure your campaigns. Step number 5, set a posting schedule. Consistency is key. HubSpot's social media calendar tool lets you plan, schedule, and automate posts across platforms, ensuring that your content aligns with your campaigns. You can even optimize posts for specific platforms to maximize engagement. Step number 6, assign responsibilities. A clear process is essential. Use HubSpot's project management tools to assign tasks, set deadlines, and keep your team on track, so nothing falls through the cracks. Step number 7, measure and optimize. Track performance with HubSpot Analytics. You can use dynamic date tokens to personalize workflows and tweak your strategy based on what's working. Then you can regularly review top performing content to guide future efforts and double down on what resonates with your audience. A content calendar might seem like extra work, but it can save time, reduce stress, and drive real results. With tools like HubSpot's Content Remix tool and Analytics, you can streamline your process and create impactful content. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and share it with someone who needs help with their content strategy. That's it from me. Happy HubSpotting.